crap you have inside your contact case. That's the bathroom! The bathroom's a mess! Take our pictures someplace else. Opal!
I'm taking a video. Crazy dog! Oh. Opal. Puppy. Pupperoo. Go that way. Go.
Oh yeah, those guys should be very stubborn. But stop it. I am asserting, in the event of Batman's death...
Where you going?
The original Robin, Dick Grayson, will not be any
Opal. Hey, look in the camera. Up. What are you doing?
She tore this up. Like, this was all weaved and stuff into two balls right there and there, and she tore it up to the, like this. She just...
I'll kill her if she does that in the house.
You're gonna have to come here.
Not good. Hey, you don't piss everywhere. Because she did that before over there.
No.
I'm sorry, but you're obviously stuck in a
Not good.
universe. Of course I am. Removing Joe Chill is the killer of Batman's parents.
No. 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 Oh, no. 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 Oh. No, you don't do that.
Infinite Crisis storyline restore Joe Chill to the Batman mythology. I am forgetting nothing, and I resent your tone. Okay. Look, Sheldon, it's late. I've got to get some sleep. So I win. No, I'm tired.
Bad Opal.
So I win.
Are you seriously taking a picture of her?
No, I'm stopping her from devouring it.
Oh my god.
I really had a terrific
Oh.
time.
Could you stink anymore? Hurry up, Fenda!
Bad Opal. You don't do that. She knows it's bad. She knows it's bad.
That was decaf.
I'll kill you if you piss shit all over my stuff. It smells like cat food.